Congratulations on the purchase of your new car. We greatly appreciate your decision to choose KUGS World, the new car protection package representative company of Korea. Shall we experience the distinguished new car protection package of KUGS World? KUGS World keeps the customer's precious new car in a highly secured facility that operates 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. To provide a pleasant experience of the new car protection package installation, we have over 12,400 square feet of space with new facilities to provide high-quality installation for customers. KUGS World's new car protection package provides detailed and transparent experience to the customer by inspecting car exterior scratch and gap, and flush interior leather seat and materials, and any specified issues for each vehicle type. Also, KUGS World's expert group, with various installation experiences, will perform a high-quality installation using only the premium materials. Lastly, KUGS World will provide lifetime after-sales service and maintenance because of the gratitude we have to the customers. KUGS World's new car protection package entails safe car storage, detailed and transparent car inspection, high-quality installation by experts, consistent after-sales service and maintenance. These will solve every problem, concern, and stress you will have when purchasing a new car. Here, it's very simple. Just choose KUGS World's new car protection package. The reservation process for the new car protection package from KUGS World is very simple. First, complete the sales agreement with the car dealer. Then, just designate the delivery destination to KUGS World. Second, once the vehicle has arrived at KUGS World, it will undergo a detailed vehicle inspection. KUGS World will send the inspection pictures to the customer. Once the customer confirms the status of the car, KUGS World will perform the new car protection package installation with the agreed options. If there are any problems or issues with the car, KUGS World will clearly guide the customer to reject the car or help set up maintenance from the manufacturer. KUGS World new car protection package will provide you with the comfort and the assurance that your vehicle will be cared for. Third, once the new car protection package has been installed, the car is ready to be picked up at KUGS World. Every customer will receive a careful explanation regarding AS and maintenance from KUGS World. Just designate the car destination to KUGS World after the completion of the sales agreement. This is the only step required for new car protection package. KUGS World provides all the installations for the new car. Here are the current lists of installations at KUGS World. Detail new car inspection. Panapixel tinting. Premium PPF. PPC microglass coating. Premium leather seat coating. Noise reduction, soundproof installation. Black box and vehicle auxiliary battery installation. Please register the shipping address to KUGS World after completing the car contract with the dealer, and KUGS World will make the most of your visit. Thank you.